Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about a problem that a lot of us face. It's called unwanted hairs. And today I'm going to show you guys how I remove my unwanted hairs from my legs, my underarms, and my arms right from home. You can even use this on your face as well, but today we're gonna focus on our body. So I am very excited to share this with you guys because this is a device that you can use right from your home. It is very professional and you don't have to pay tons of money and make appointments, go to offices to get it done. You can just do it from home at your own pace, at your own time, and that's just amazing, especially if you have a busy work schedule. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Deess IPL Beauty device. It looks like this and it has all these amazing features, which we will get to in a minute. But I love using this, you guys. I've been using it for a few weeks and honestly, I have seen some great improvements. You do have to use this for about 12 weeks to get like full results, but within just a few weeks, you will notice that your hair will not grow as fast and as thick. And that is like my huge problem because I have really thick hair and I hate shaving. That's just something that I do not like. I'm not the biggest fan of that. So after using this, I have noticed a huge decrease of hair and I'm so excited, you guys. So I'm going to do a tutorial to share with you and show you how I remove my unwanted hair at home. But before we get started, let me show you some of the great features. Also, before we get started, I did want to say welcome if you're new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would really love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Also, make sure to follow me on my blog because I will be writing like a huge blog post on this device. I love it and I want to share with you everything in detail so you guys can see for yourself. So make sure you check out my blog, and I also have an amazing coupon code for you guys. They were so kind enough to offer me a coupon code for my subscribers. So make sure you guys check out my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial. So before we get started with the tutorial on how to remove unwanted hair, I wanted to show you very quickly my Deess IPL Beauty device and all the great features that it has, as well as what comes inside the box. So this is a newest ice cool home use IPL hair removal system. And it works great because you do not feel any discomfort or any pain. There are different levels that you can use depending on the type of hair that you have. And what's great about it is that it's a hair removal system. It's a skin rejuvenation. Basically, you can get like a facelift with this after using it several times. It's an acne treatment device. You can use unlimited shots. It has a replaceable lamp and synchronizations of cooling and IPL functions. It does have two modes. It has a manual and automatic flashing, and it has an LCD display. So before getting started, you want to choose the correct cap depending on what you need it for. For example, this one here is for the hair removal. It does say HR on it, so that way you know what it's for. And you just want to line up this little ridge right here to the top. And just place it in. And then you hear that snap, it means it's properly inserted and now it's ready to use. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect it and show you guys how it works. So before I begin, I'm going to use these protective sunglasses to protect my eyes, and these come included in the kit. Next, I'm going to hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds to start. And once the power indicator turns a steady blue, this is the indicator that means that it's ready to emit the light, and that way you can begin. You want to go ahead and press the light emitting button to remove the hair. Then you will see that there will be like a short flash with a pulse of light that's going to go directly on your skin, and it does make like a little popping sound, and it's completely normal. I didn't feel any discomfort whatsoever, but some people may feel like a mild sensation or a little bit of warmth or tingling, and it's totally normal. You want to make sure that you work one area at a time. So you can either start from the top and then just move towards the bottom. And what's great about this is that you can always go back. You can also select the intensity based on your tolerance. So if you do have like very thick, coarse hair, you might want to try like a stronger strength. So one thing you want to do is you want to use this device about once a week for about 8 to 12 weeks, and after the 12 weeks you want to just go ahead and use it once a month just to keep the results. So that was it for my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, found it helpful. I'm going to leave you guys the exact links on where you can find this Deess system down in the description bar, as well as in my blog. And I do have a coupon code. They were very kind enough to offer a coupon code for my subscribers, so I am very thankful for that. I'll leave you guys the code down there below. Check it out. It's definitely something worth trying. And if you guys have that problem of unwanted hair, this here is like the best thing to use instead of having to shave every day, which I am personally not a huge fan of. So I highly recommend this, you guys. It's amazing. It has a great price and you are going to love it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.